everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Barda compilation, because why not? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ito yung interview with a JC Fooder, noted food and food and travel vlogger for today's video. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this.
Shoot, tapos
Good morning, guys.
Hello,
I'm
good
here
morning.
with David. David, finally.
Okay, ito yung mahabang version na
Maybe
kompleto.
more than 2 months or about more than a month in the making.
yeah, oo. I messaged you, tapos apparently sobrang busy mo pala.
Ikaw.
Okay.
Yeah, so
But finally, we're here. We're here at Sobra in
Sobra.
Opus Mall.
yes.
I'm curious, you're a celebrity.
Oh,
but,
Opus Mall.
Why did you decide to invest in a restaurant?
Well,
Needs
I
kasi
really
siya
wanted
eh,
a
basic
business na,
needs.
You know, I can be hands-on, something tangible, something I can be very much involved. Diba? And also, like, I love food.
You love food?
I super love food.
Oh, what's in the name? Because it's very catchy, Sobra. So why did you choose that name, and what is the meaning for you?
Okay, so I feel like in the Philippines, yung palette ng mga Pilipino,
Yeah.
I mean, hindi naman ako nagsasalita for everybody.
Right.
But
Okay.
generally kasi gusto ng mga Pilipino yung malasa. Gusto nila yung
Agree.
sulit.
Especially us Chinese Filipinos.
Yeah, yung nga pala, yeah.
Yeah, the palate.
Yeah, oo. Tapos gusto natin yung value for money, malaki yung serving.
Right.
But hence the name of Sobra. So, sobra sa sarap, sobra sa lasa, sobra sa servings, di ba?
Yan pala yung meaning, no?
Yeah, so yun yung vision talaga
All
namin.
the superlatives in the world.
Yeah, to be sobra sa lahat.
Next question, I'm curious, since you're already an entrepreneur, a restaurant entrepreneur,
Okay.
is there like a dish here at Sobra that you can actually cook from start to finish?
Well, yung egg.
Egg.
Really start to finish, but somehow you can cook.
First yung tapa.
Ito.
Tapa.
So this is their best
Tapa
seller.
naman pala ang nais. Charis, sana
Why
all.
did you decide, or was it by accident na naging bestseller ito? O when you put up this restaurant, ito na talaga yung naisip mo na magiging signature dish?
Well, during the pandemic, nag-start kasi kami sa online.
Okay.
Through Instagram lang, Facebook, yung ordering.
Right.
And mention mo, nag-order ka doon, di ba?
Oh yeah, during the pandemic, online.
Yeah, oo.
Kasi
So-
super, like everyone's doing online business
Yeah,
din.
oo. Na-inspire ako sa Sushi Bake.
Sushi Bake?
Yun yung ano talaga.
Oo,
yung
sikat na
thing at
sikat
that
yung
time.
sushi bake, no?
So, I don't know, I came across a post na on Instagram na parang tapa. So, parang, uy, pwede yan sa Sushi Bake ka. So yun, so gumawa na kami ng tray of tapa.
Right.
Pandemic. So, ang maganda doon, nakapag-market test kami. Di ba? Because actually, yung market test is very much important in business.
Market
So, you
test.
don't wanna like shell out money right away.
Agree.
Kaya naging successful din yung Sobra because nagkaroon kami ng market test. So,
Okay.
itong tapa,
Yeah.
ito na talaga yung naging bestseller kasi yung pinaka-first dish namin ever.
Okay, let's try. Samahan mo ako.
Sige.
Samahan mo
dyan
ako.
Don't say that. Okay, let's try.
Sawa na ako dyan.
Try
Don't
ko
say
ulit
that.
after maybe-
Sawa na ako dyan.
When did you start again? Independent 20?
Napaka-natural ni David, no? Napaka-natural niya. Sawa na ako dyan. Imagine! My God, bakit niya sasabihin yun?
2021? 2020.
Napaka-natural niya.
5 years, 6
Imagine,
years.
bakit niya sasabihin
Natin kung
yun?
Sa standards mo.
Let's try.
Oh my God, I will try this one. I will try this one, seriously.
Okay, ma'am.
Very flavorful. Generous, you're right. And I guess it really patok sa Filipino palate because it's more on the sweet, salty kind of cheese profile.
Yeah.
She's profound.
What's important is really that it's very generous. I guess yun yung
Okay.
advantage.
Okay, what's next? Ay, susayaan niya na siya, wala na makontact, kaya ganun, fave niya ako talaga, idol natin siya sa fake news. Siya original, di ba? Minsan do what he's best at. Why not? That's a typical gaslighter behavior. Bakit? Ano meron? I love hidden cafes. Why not go to Sobra Cafe? Di ba? Why not go to Sobra? Ay, ito na. Lately, Mama Tony Abilis has been posting Barda Day shoots. Then I read. Oh, ito yung pina-take down nila sa akin. Itong video na to. Itong video na to. Did you miss us? 'Di ba? Ito yung pina-take down ni Miss sa akin ni Miss Tony. Yung ganitong klaseng kasama si Barbie and David. Lapit na. Okay. Okay. Ay, ano na naman yung Ginoo? Charis si Ginoo. Tingnan mo naman yung itsura niya. Ang cute-cute niya, di ba? Mm. What's the best part for today's video? Okay. Oppo online store. Okay. Ay. Diyos ko, ano pa din siya? Best, ano pa din siya? What do you call this? Kitty Barbie reposted. So good. Oh my God. Parang masarap nga. May leche plan ako dito. Ita-try ko yung frozen leche plan. Ay, Barbie at Friends Day. Ito yung nakita natin. Ay, si Barbie, oh. Barbie at Friends birthday. Okay. Ay, hindi nga natin ito napanood. Anyways, titignan natin yung mga repost and everything. Yung Barda United, na para bang pinanawagan niya na uuwi ako. Charis! Charis! Ay, hello! Ginawa ako ni Ma'am Tetsky ng ganyan. Ang cute-cute ko. Promise, hello Friday. Friday ngayon eh. Diba? Hello Friday. Friday never disappoints. Ay, hello. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Ay, ano to? Ay, Machi, di mo kaya. Sabi ko na nga ba meron ganyan si Barbie eh. Asan yung vape ko? Sabi ko na nga ba, meron ganito si Barbie eh. Ay, hello. Ay, wait lang. Ayan na po ang pic ni Barbie sa KK. Hindi na po yan matatanggal. Huwag po maniwala sa fake news na walang pic ni Barbie kahapon. Palang po yan. Diyos ko, mga fake news peddler. So yan yung bago nilang parama sa atin para gulungin tayo. Porket hindi nila natibag yung linabas nila ng Taiwan chismis at wedding. Mga mami, hindi nyo kami matitibag. Chicks, di ba? Tatawanan lang namin kayo. Kasi nga, we know from the fact, alam natin kung saan tayo saan tayo magsastand eh. Wala naman tayo sinasabi na si David and Barbie may relasyon. Walang ganon. Kinikilig lang tayo sa kanila and we're rooting for them na magkaroon ng project together. Diba? Kinikilig tayo sa chemistry nila and we really love their craft. Yun lang yun eh. Pero but you cannot take away from us naaasa maging sila because nakikita namin may special something sila but we never claimed na sila or may relasyon sila. Never. Me? Never. Diba? Anyways, ay, tama ba yun? Si Jillian. Okay. Ay. Wala sa mood si David. Wala sa mood si David, no? Oh, ano na, ang mga David and Jillian fan. Akala ko ba love team, Chares? Oh, wala sa mood. Saan? Saan ang sweet? Saan? Saan yung kinikilig-kilig kayo dyan? Saan? Ipakita nyo sa akin, wala sa mood si David kasama si Jillian. Pero hindi naman siguro dahil wala siya sa mood, dahil kasama si Jillian. It's just that pagod siya. Pero ang akin lang talaga, saan banda yung kilig na nararamdaman ninyo? Charis. Di ba, May? Pero support pa rin David and Jillian. Support pa rin. NSB. Charis. Di ba? Ay, dyan sila kinikilig. Kinikilig kayo dyan sa picture na yan, di ba? Eto ha. Kinikilig sila dyan kasi nakaakbay si David kay Jillian. Pero hindi yan yung context ng video, mga mami. Nakita natin paano nagsimula. Paano tayo napunta dito? Kita natin ang itsura ni David. Nakita natin ang itsura ni David. Bago tayo pumunta dito, huwag kayong asyumera. Huwag kayong asyumera. Nakita natin ang itsura ni David, mami. Tapos ngayon, yan yung gusto nyong ipalabas. Diyan kayo nagkakamali. Yan yung problema sa inyo na ginagawa ninyo ang istorya, ang isang literato. Kilala ko na kayo. Kilala ko na yung galawan ninyo. Naging matalino ako dahil sa inyo. Wow! So this is Kid Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!